chapter name instead of integer we learn in the sixth chapter? Yes, very good. Instead of integers, we learn the chapter name as the other side of the zero. Why the other side of zero mean? We know one side of the zero. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those numbers we know. Behind that, we don't know. That only integers. Okay, before learning the integers, what are the numbers we learn? If you know, please raise your hand. Yes, Mama.
Whole numbers and natural numbers.
Yes, we know whole numbers and natural numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers?
Whole numbers are any numbers that start from 0.
Okay, whole numbers including 0. Okay, Rama? Yes, natural numbers. What is a natural number?
Any numbers without 0, for example 1.
Yes, counting numbers. We can say easily. How do we count the things? We start from the 1, 2, 3. So counting numbers are also known as natural numbers. Okay, Rama? So we know the whole numbers starts from the 0, 1, 2, 3. And other side of 0, that only integer. What is the other side of 0? If that is a good part, surely there will be a God is there in opposite, devil also will be there. If I am yawning, surely I will borrow. Okay, Radhama? If there is a positive, surely there will be a negative also. That is the other side of the 0. So who is the other side of the 0?
Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3.
Okay, Rama. So this is the other side of the 0, and it is going on right hand side also going on. So both the side no ending for the integers. When you are moving towards the integers, the right hand side in the number line, what about the values? The values will be
Increasing.
yes, very good, Rama. Always when you are moving towards the right hand side, the values will be increasing. And this is a earning part, and this is borrowing part, and my spending part. Okay, Rama? Suppose I am earning 1,000. Whether it's greater or 10,000, it's greater.
10,000.
So I move towards my right hand side. So when you are moving towards the right hand side of the 0, always the value will be increasing. Okay, now I am borrowing 10 rupees from him. So now again I borrow from him 1,000 rupees. So I become very poor. Again I am borrowing the money from him. So I am becoming very poor. So my value is decreasing. Somebody is borrowing more money. So what about the value of that particular person in the society? They will degrade now. So that is the nature of the human being. So when I am borrowing the money, my value is decreasing. Okay, Ratama? So when you are moving towards the right hand side, the value is increasing. When you are moving towards the left hand side, the value is decreasing. Okay, what is the real life application? Integers.
Credits and debits.
If you want to say the answer, can you just get up, my dear? Yes.
We can take 2 examples, ma'am. Credits and debits, and you can take temperature.
Okay, very good. Credits and debits. Where it is applying? Yes, my dear. Credits and debits. Where?
In bank accounts.
Yes, bank accounts. When you are withdrawing a money, immediately the message will be there in the mobile. What is the mobile? Debited. The something money is debited. So what they are doing? They are reducing from our account. Suppose my salary is credited. Sorry, if I am earning the salary, immediately I will get a message from the bank. What is that? Credited. Yes, credits and debits. And temperature. Yes, Tama. Negative in the temperatures. Yes, my dear. Good in climates. For example, our great warriors in Kashmir, they are working under the temperature -2, -3. Am I right? Is it possible for us to live like that? So, if the temperature is very chill, we are considering as a negative. The temperature is very hot. Nowadays, the temperature is very hot. It's increasing. Why? Because of the summer. number. If it is hardening, that is a positive, it's increasing. If it is a cool mean, it's a negative, it's decreasing. Like also we are applying the integers. So if you understand the importance of integers, real life also will be easy. In forthcoming chapters also it will be easy. For example, we are going to learn the rational numbers in a 7th standard. If you know the integers and the fraction, the rational numbers will be easy. Okay, Ratamo? That's why we are recalling again whatever we learned in the 6th standard in the bridge course. Okay. So let's see in the next class with the same integer concept. Okay, Rama? Thank you all. Bye-bye.